Subscription businesses have been around for some time. The trend is growing and the market is expanding globally. However, it is not easy for companies to do the subscription business. They need a comprehensive and easy-to-use platform. And this is where Steppay comes into the picture. Hello everyone, my name is Celine Lee. I'm a product manager at Steppay. Today, I'm very excited to introduce our services. For the next minute, there are a couple of points I'd like to make. First, we'll go over briefly company introduction. Then I will explain what kind of market challenges are out and how our services can solve the problem. So let's get started. Steppay is a recurring payment and subscription management solution. It has everything what companies need in one place. We help businesses to streamline the entire subscription e-commerce workflow. Also, we support companies who want to transition into the subscription-based ones. Our customers range from individuals, small companies, and large enterprises, which include software as a service. Now, let me give you a more clear picture of what Steppay offers. I'd like to highlight 3 points for our business areas. First, subscription payment is a service that helps businesses automate recurring billing processes and subscription management. You can set up any type of product on our portal, and you can configure various billing models. Second, payment integration service. When you do online business, you need to integrate payment gateways that authorize and process payments. With Steppay API, developers can easily integrate 11 different Korean PGs at once when building their own e-commerce website. Lastly, we support subscription e-commerce solution. It gives our customers a full-fledged website with online shop features. The reason why we go beyond subscription is because we have experienced that many clients didn't have a proper e-commerce shopping experience. When it comes to subscriptions, our smaller and larger customers are facing very concrete challenges out there. Why do many companies use the solution instead of developing on their own? Here are 3 reasons why. First, it is time-consuming for companies to develop it. It takes enormous amount of time to actually build a solution, even if they are surrounded by some developers. It takes at least more than 6 months. Second, it is too expensive to build it. It can cost millions of dollars. It requires lots of resources and high maintenance costs. Third, high complexity. As businesses grow and scale, you need to think about adding new functionalities. How are you going to manage if your customers want to be on a free trial? Or how are you going to manage if your customers want to pay later? This is just the beginning of complexity. There are many more things to consider as for the subscription businesses. So Steppay tackles these challenges very effectively. We help companies streamline all the process. Companies can save the development time. You just need to set up your products and pricing plans in just a few clicks. Also, we help them to reduce development costs. Instead of investing millions of dollars in developing the solution, you can just pay a reasonable monthly solution fee. And this is a way more feasible and ideal option. Lastly, they can take just advantage of Steppay's service. We update and provide all the features they need when doing the subscription businesses. So now let me explain our services in more detail. With Steppay, it only takes a few clicks to configure your subscription pricing plans. The process is very simple and intuitive. First, select the product type you want to sell. We cover physical goods, softwares, digital content, videos, and anything. Then simply set the price and the cycle of your plan. After the configuration, you can use API and integrate it into your web. Then you can sell via link and allow your customers to pay with a one-click button, which is easy and fast. Of course, there are a lot of customization options, but we emphasize simplicity. Now, every business has its own different pricing schemas, from fixed fee to usage-based. We cover almost everything. Let me introduce a few common ones, but there's also much more out there. Fixed fee basically charges your customers for a fixed amount on a regular basis. This is most common billing model adopted by most companies. Examples of the seat-based are Notion and Slack. You charge for a fixed amount per person or an account. Usage base can be seen a lot in SaaS companies too, such as Amazon Web Service. For example, you charge customers based on their data consumption. You check the usage with API and bill them for the total number of calls at the end of the month. Along with the pricing configuration, you can also add a set of subscription-focused features when you configure your billing models. So let's go over a couple of ones. If you have any service or product where it has an expiration date, you can simply check off the list and add it to your plan. We also support installation or setup fee. If you want to give your customers some discount for their first purchase, you can also set it up. This gives our customers a powerful tool to boost their business. Remember, all can be done in just a few clicks. As an online shop owner, you may want to operate your billings, orders, everything in one place. Steppay provides a centralized product management system on the portal. In the order management, you can process subscription orders, shippings, stock, and many more. In customers, you can manage customers' contact and check all their order histories. In customer section, merchants can easily manage returns and exchange orders. Next up, I'd like to introduce our e-commerce solution called StepShop. StepShop provides pre-built e-commerce pages such as login page, product list page, product detail page, and so on. Even StepShop provides a standalone website. So if you don't have a website, then StepShop is the right one for you. One of the powerful parts of StepShop is that you can add e-commerce functionality to any web-based platform with a single code, meaning you can change your normal online store into a subscription model. Just copy the embed code from the shop page and paste it into your web. Then you will see the shop page is embedded into your website. This feature is also very convenient for developers. They don't need to create the pages from scratch. They can just select the pages they want when building a website. So now let's move on to our competitive advantages. Steppay provides additional benefits and conveniences to merchants. This feature allows users to manage their own subscription status from their own account. For example, users can pause or cancel their subscription status anytime. They can also change their own billing cycle date and payment due date. If they want to add other products on top, it is also flexible. Of course, merchants can adjust what customers can do or can't do. So as with other businesses, customers forget to pay, sometimes intentionally or unintentionally. StackCover has the right solution for that by providing the recovery solution. When a payment fails, StackCover sends out automatic alert messages to users on their mobile devices. They can just pay immediately without login process. This helps merchants to receive their lost revenue. Steppay is a fast-growing company. We launched our service not long ago. However, we have partnered with many great companies such as Naver, sold credit information, and we are also trusted by more than 100 clients. On the PGs, we are working together with all relevant providers to give maximum coverage for our customers. All this has been put together by our ambitious team members, which we will likely hear more in the future. So thank you for your time, and please reach out if you have any further questions in our services. We'll be more than pleased to work together. Thank you.